Hi, welcome to today's beauty demo. I hope you are all ready to get warm and fresh look of spring in just a few minutes. My name is Sarah and I'll be your host for today. And whether you feel fresh and awake and ready for spring, or if we need a look to help us out with that, we have you covered today. Hi, everyone. I see you in the chat right here. Hi, Diana. Okay, so don't forget, before we start, we have amazing offers right now on avon.com. So be sure to check those out when you're shopping online with us and you're shopping for today's looks. Let's get into it. Today is all about getting that fresh, awake look that's naturally and lightly defined in just a couple of minutes. That's about all I have usually to do anything to my face. So I want to give you a few tips and tricks to do that. So whether you feel like a spring daisy, like I said, or you're faking it until you make it, like myself most days, don't worry. We're going to make this part of your look and we're going to achieve it very quickly. So for today's look, I'm going to show you how to first go in and warm up your face and give it a soft glow, and then come back to do a very light definition. So for today, we're going to be using our new FMG Match Bronze Sculpting Powders. I'm going to use both shades, the bronze and the deep bronze today to achieve this look, and anybody can do this. Hi Kay, hi Alicia. Tell me in the chat if you guys are ready for spring. If you're manifesting spring through your look, I am as well, so I'm right there with you. But tell me if you're ready to look warm and awake and fresh. I would love to know if you guys are already playing with your spring looks. Let's get into this look for today. So I'm going to start with our bronzed color. And I'm going to go ahead and grab our FMG blush and contour brush. So this guy has both this contoured side that you see here, and it has the round, there we go, round fluffy brush. I'm going to start with this rounded edge. Tomorrow is the first day of spring. Yes, we're all manifesting it here. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one. I'm going to go in with that lighter color, the bronzed color, and I'm going to lightly sweep across my temples to start. Okay, so this is a beautiful, beautiful formula. It has this ultra fine powder formula, which is going to be great for going in and blending and making it look soft and beautiful. But because of that, now I already tried this out, so I'm here to tell you, you don't have to make the same. I wanted to go and do a nice satisfying sweep in the color. It pulls a lot of that powder up. So you just want to do a little tap to start. You can see, look how much color I got just from that. You can see that there. And then I want to go ahead and tap off the excess. That way I can create a buildable look and I don't deposit too much color right away. So I'm going to start first on the temples, and I have my mirror off to the side here. Make sure I can see what I'm doing. You do a little tap and you just go in, and I am blending, 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 blending as I go. You don't want any sharp streaks, lines, anything like that. We're looking for a really, really soft color just at your temples. And then after the temples, I'm going to go in and do just the very top of my forehead. I can already see that color. You see that warming up. That looks so good. I love this color. Whether you're, a little paler from the winter or you already have your tan going, you just go a little lighter or a little darker depending on what kind of look you want to achieve. Now, you might want to go a little bit darker on the top of the forehead if that's the look that you're going for. I have a really tiny forehead, so I just do a tiny bit right there. Tell me if that's you in the chat. But yeah, I just go a little bit up there. And again, this is a nice fluffy brush that's going to be great for blending it all out. After that, I go ahead and do a very light, I'm going to tap, tap, and then pull off that excess right on my chin, just like that. Just a very, again, you want to go in light because you can build and build and build if you need more color. But then you just want to make sure that you're kind of doing a little dusting to make sure it's all incorporated. And then finally, I just do the same amount of color right on the top of my nose like this, just like that. Why? Because it gives a nice little warmth to the middle of my face where the sun would hit. Okay, can you guys see that? I'm loving this color already. I didn't have any on prior to this, so I could show you guys. Okay, so that is it. And again, this fluffy side is great so you can blend that color because again, we're trying to enhance and warm. We're not really trying to do a harsh contour and a harsh bronze look. We're really just trying to warm up the color and make you look dimensional and beautiful without it being any kind of harsh, colorways or difference in the color. So now I'm gonna go in with my contoured side of this complexion brush right there. I'm going to take the deep bronze color and I'm going to pick up that color the same way. See, this is just a light tap. You see that? And so I'm going to go in right here. And I do have foundation on. I see this in the chat. I have the Soft Focus, the FMG Soft Focus foundation on today, but this is a great technique to do either with like a tinted moisturizer. You don't need a full-on foundation for this look because again, super light, super buildable. You see that there? And then I'm just gonna blend, 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 sweeping up and away from your face. You never wanna go towards your face because we're gonna deposit too much color where we don't want it, but we're gonna blend up towards our hairline. You can even blend it into that other color that you did at your temples. Okay, I'm gonna do other side. Again, I put my angle, the shortest angle side away from my face and blend, blend, blend. So you see, there's really not harsh lines here. There's really not, we all seen those tutorials where you have the hard line and you have to bake it and wake it and make it. No, we're not going to do any of that for this one. We're just doing a really soft contour, a really soft definition so that it just looks warm and inviting and bright, but not super, super contoured. Okay, there we go. Let's see. And then finally, what I like to do sometimes is just the same deep bronze. I'm going to go ahead and take the same amount of color, and then you can do a little bit under your jawbone just to go ahead and define. And you see, I'm blending that all the way down because I don't want any harsh lines. You just kind of go down just like that. Again, just to give a tiny bit of definition, tiny bit of contouring, but nothing too crazy. And again, this formula is perfect for this because as you can see, I'm not depositing too much at once. You can always take a look in the mirror, take a look at different lighting, go back, do a little more, figure out what kind of look you want, but it's so blendable, very, very soft. And that's it, guys. That's the bronze look. I think that was only a few minutes. And if I didn't talk to you so much, it would have been like 2 minutes, right? So I think that this is something that anybody can do. I want to tell you just to finish out my look, what I typically do. I'm going to do a nice warm blush for this look. So I'm actually going to use the FMG Cashmere Multi Balm. This is in Beach Blush. I love this shade. This is such a cool shade. And it makes me feel like I'm on vacation when I'm absolutely not. And then I just kind of warm it up with my finger and I just apply it right to the apples on my cheeks, blending up. Same technique with blending up and give it just like a little color. And again, I go in with a little so that I can always add more without feeling like I put too much on too fast. And then you blend, blend, blend with your finger. Give yourself some nice color. Again, we're going to do this side. Dot, dot, dot. You can see that color there. Let's see if you can see it. There you go. And then I just blend, blend, blend. Really easy. Don't be scared about using your fingers. Even professional makeup artists do this too. So this balm is perfect for that, for using your fingertips. And then I might just go a little bit right there and blend, blend, blend with a clean finger. Right there. Okay, and again, this one is Beach Blush. This is our FMG Multi Balm in Beach Blush, if you were asking which one this is. We have a few different ones, so depending on your skin tone, you can find the right one for you. And then for my lip, what I did today is just to complement the warm, fresh look, I did a lip line in our Glimmer lip liner Au Naturel. Super, super versatile. I took our handy dandy multi balm, swept that all over just like a balm after I lined my lips. And I went for a gloss to finish that off. This is my favorite gloss that we have right now, the FMG Glimmer Gloss. This one is in Cha Cha Chai, and it's such a versatile one to just kind of finish off any look. You can use it on your own if you want a super natural gloss. You can use it with a liner. You can use it with other colors. It's wonderful. And that's it. So hopefully that gave you some inspiration to get some bronze, to get some warm, to get some glow. Don't forget, shop those deals on avon.com. They're amazing. So you can grab these products, grab our brand new bronzing powder for you, for a friend, give somebody the gift of a warm glow if you want to. And hopefully you guys can achieve this look at home in just a few minutes. Like I said, if you're not talking to anybody, you could do this in 3 minutes. And that's it for today's beauty demo. So I hope you enjoyed. Happy shopping. And I hope to see some amazing bronze looks from all of you. Thank you guys so much. Until next time, bye.